In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to create a 300 DPI PNG with Canva. So one thing I have to be clear about is that the possibility to create a PNG 300 DPI in Canva is not there, at least not yet. So we have to do a little workaround, which is very easy to do and completely free, unless you have a pro subscription of Canva, of course. But it's not additional costs that occur. So what we do first, we create a custom size canvas. Why I do this is because I don't want to just use a logo because it's only 500 by 500 pixels. I'm just doing a larger canvas size so we have a better quality later. So it's loading here. For this example, I'm just going to use a logo. I can use this here, for example, nice and bright. So since it's not fully filling out the canvas, I'm going to choose it all, select everything, then group it together, Command G, and then just size it up to the right, almost up to the edge. So I can make it as big as possible. Center it, great. Nice, bright, beautiful logo. What we do now is we share this and download it, but not as PNG. This time we're going to use a PDF for print because this downloads it in the highest quality possible at 300 dpi, but as a PDF. How we get it to a PNG comes in the next step. So we download it for print. It's downloaded, doesn't take long. So it's downloaded now. Now we go to the Finder, which is over here. I want to go over here. And it's an untitled design because he didn't give it a name. We just say it's a donut smiling logo so we know what we're looking for. This is a PDF, as you can see, .pdf. Now what we do, we go to a tool called CloudConvert.com. I don't know what's the problem. Here we go. This is a great tool. You can basically convert any file to any file, which is nearly all audio, video, document, ebook. So everything basically can be converted here. Amazing, completely free. What we do now, we choose from the Documents tab, PDF, so it knows what it's doing. And we convert it to, we want to have a PNG, which is an image. Here we have the Image tab and choose PNG. Now we're gonna select the file that we just downloaded, the PDF, donut smiling logo. We can do some adjustments here. We want to have it be 300 dpi. You have to put this in, otherwise it's not going to be 300 dpi. And we want to have an alpha channel so there's no background, or transparent background rather. And we hit OK. Now we convert it. It's going to get uploaded very quick. It's processing it. And in a second, there is a download button here. You can see now this is the PNG. This is the right file. We download it. Now we go back to our Finder and see that the file is right here. We open it and see that it is like a very high quality PNG. It's still loading with almost no pixels, like very, very far in only can you see the pixels on this file, the pixelation. To show you that we are at the 300 dpi, we see here the image DPI is 300 pixels per inch DPI. And we have a canvas size of 9,375 times 2 pixels, which is large. So you could use it for anything that you need. And this is how you create a 300 dpi PNG from Canva.